Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have received my Creative Notions bag and I'm always really excited to open it up. And today I actually have time that I just received it today and I am opening it today. So I'm super stoked about that. So let's get it open. I haven't even cut anything or any of that stuff. So let's get it done. Yay! Okay. All right, so first we get our bag out because everything comes inside a lovely little drawstring bag, and mine is orange with white polka dots this time. It's very springy. And okay, let me pull it all out. I like to make sure I got everything. Okay, everything's out of the bag. Okay, so, I'm gonna scooch that for later. Okay, so let's start with we have the little brochure that comes inside. It says Creative Notions subscription January 2021, Roots of Love. When we have each other, we have everything. That's really cute. I like that. Okay, and then she has all sorts of info in here, more info on the back. Let me kind of go over it. Okay, so right on the top, it says winners this month. Project winners are Amy Fernigal. I hope I'm saying that right. Fernigal. Your first quilt top, it's beautiful. Okay, so she was a project winner with her first quilt top. Congratulations. And then we have Ann Linden for the washi tape postcards. She says that's thinking outside the box. And the block winner is Joy Wilcox. Thanks for sharing your talent with us. You will all be receiving a pre-cut. Awesome. Okay. Okay, so she's talking about things that are included inside that can make a project. So that's excellent. We all love that. They want people to come and join the group on Facebook. So if you are a Creative Notions subscriber, you can also subscribe to or are asked to join the Creative Notions group. It's a private group and everybody just talks inside, shows their stuff, and obviously wins prizes. Okay. Okay, so the fabric. The fabric is called Roots of Love by Wilmington Prints, and the designer is Lisa Audit. It's a floral collection that starts with buckets of bouquets that include poppies, ranunculus, blue pansies, and more, mixed with family/home inspired labels. Then she has what's in the bag. Quilt block competition. Okay, it's really tiny, y'all. I can't read it. I'm sorry. It's really tiny. There's something going on with a quilt block competition. And okay, there's a quilt block competition. Maybe there'll be more about it in the Facebook group. We'll have to go check it out. Okay, and then we also have a recipe book inside, which is from using all the recipes that were submitted in 2020. Okay, so that's the booklet. And then, okay, so maybe this is what they're talking about. This might be it. It says subscribers block of the month competition. I'm assuming maybe that's what it is. It says, okay, there's an A block and a B block. It's the Hourglass Star by Joy Wilcox. There are cutting instructions and then assembly instructions. And then I have no idea. It's probably all in that little bitty print that I can't read. But this is the block. So I'm assuming that they want us to make these, and then I'm looking at the two blocks, and I like A best. If you guys get the bag, which one do you like better? Do you like A or B better? I don't know why, but like, I like the B block until it gets to the 4 corners. And then they lose me there. I don't know. Well, actually, they do the same in the middle, where they flip. Anyway, I don't know. To me, there's, in my eye, for some reason, I'm not really liking it. But I like the A block. So let me know which one you like, because I bet it has something to do with like left, right side of the brain or something like that. I don't know. But you know, I wouldn't throw either one of them out. I just like A better. Okay. So I think we need to pull this out first. This is, okay, this is the pattern. Okay. Okay, so these are designed to use the fabric that was sent. There is a Melanie tote bag, which is super cute. I'm not sure what size it is. It would depend on the size, because I don't really like small tote bags. But the look of it, like I do like I like tote bags. I like tote bags. And then on the other side, there is a wall hanging idea. So you can make something sort of like this, if you'd like, out of the fabric. And let me see if there's anything inside. Might just be instructions, but I don't want to miss anything. Ooh, the tote bag is super cute. Okay. Oh, the finished size on the tote bag says it right on the front. Duh. Says it's a Melanie tote bag, finished size 15 by 18. Okay, so it looks like they are kind of promoting the or maybe you could do both. I have no idea, but it looks like they're sort of promoting the tote bag. Y'all know I have to get this back in there, right? Get in there! Get in the bag! Okay, it's in the bag. Because they gave us the tote accessory kit. So everything is inside for you to... everything's inside for you to make the tote. You got the straps and the little dangly doodly. I don't know what the blue stuff is for. Maybe that's special stitching. There are a lot of instructions, so I'm not going to read through them, but there's even this really pretty blue thread back there. And it looks like kind of thicker thread, so it looks to me like it's sort of like they want you to do some embroidery maybe if you wanted to. Okay, so there are the accessories. And then here is the cookbook. So we have the cute little cookbook, and it says Creative Notions Subscribers Cookbook 2020. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then they have, oh my goodness, there's like so many. There's an index. And I was looking to see if it was like in alphabetical in some way. It doesn't look like it, but that, I mean, doesn't matter. Because there's like so many different recipes in here. So it's got the name of the recipe, it's got the person who submitted it, and then what page you can find it on. And oh my goodness, So look, there's those, and then the rest of them. Look how many there are. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. That is so crazy. Okay, so there's a place for notes. Y'all, get down from there. I'm so sorry. I'm in the middle of making a video, and these cats are acting like it's like romper room right now. Jellybean. And it's all of them, really. It's not just Jellybean. Although he is, you know, it's crazy. Okay, so look it. There's a ton of, there's just a ton of recipes in here. Ton of recipes in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is really cute. And now, let's look at the fabric. Okay. Oh, look, we have a rotary blade. Yay! I love it. I could always use rotary blades. In fact, I probably am due to change mine right now. So, perfect. Perfect timing. And then we have a little heart sucker. And it's red on the front and white on the back. I think these are really good. It's like got a cream in it. It just says Candy Creek. I think this is cream. I think it's like a, maybe it's a strawberries and cream or something. I don't know. I'm like making it all up. I have no idea. So here is the little bundle of fabric. And let's see. I'll take that off. Need some more coffee. Okay. So let's check it out. Again, this is called, I want to make sure I say it right, Roots of Love by Lisa Audit for Wilmington Prints. Okay. Oh, I remember now. Okay, because this is a panel. We got a panel. And it says it right on there. It says, when we have each other, we have everything. And there's the panel. Excuse me, guys. There's the panel. It's pretty much the whole thing. Okay, so there's the panel. And then we have this plaid fat quarter. It's got red and blue in it. And then we have this fat quarter. And there's lots of little, you could fussy cut these or just use them, use it just like this because it's a nice toss. So it doesn't matter, it's not directional. You can put it in any direction you want. And then we have one with all the flowers. And then this one is a teal with white dots. I like the dot fabric. And this is the last one. It is it cream? It's sort of cream with a bunch of flowers on it. Okay, so I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all know this fabric isn't really my taste. But again, we have a full project. So you have everything you need to make that tote bag. You have the fabric, you have the all of the stuff for the tote, you know, the handles and everything. And I don't think, I mean, it looks to me like you don't use, or you don't have to probably use the panel for the tote bag. So you could probably use the panel to make that, it would be probably like a small lap quilt. You could probably hang it if you want to. And then, so you could almost have like two projects. I think that you would I I don't know that you'd have enough fat quarters to like do the whole border thing around. But I mean, you're so close. And you got everything you need for that whole tote bag, which is pretty amazeballs. And, oh my goodness, I am so happy for this. You have no idea. I love getting stuff that is, you know, like, that we use up, you know, and you need more. So I love that. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know down below if you get the bag, if you love the bag, or if you don't get the bag yet. I think that they might be open for enrollment. I probably have to double check that. But this is typical of what you're going to get in Creative Notions. You get a full project and lovely, useful things. So let me know down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.